This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by acting fast but precise. Power off the camera or phone, eject the card, and visually inspect both card and slot for grit or bent pins. Once done, reseat the card in a known good reader or another device to confirm the card itself triggers the error. Make sure to note any model numbers and error messages. This narrows options. If a different reader works, you've isolated the problem to the original device or its slot, so proceed accordingly. Next, prioritize data. Run a read-only recovery with a reputable tool and always copy recovered files to another drive, not back to the card. After recovery, use your OS disk utility, chkdsk on Windows or fsck on Linux, to scan and repair the file system. This fixes many logical errors. If the partition table appears damaged, employ a partition recovery utility to rebuild it. Make sure to monitor logs for bad sectors. Repeated sector failures point to permanent hardware loss. Finally, after you've recovered data and repaired what you can, reformat the card to rebuild its file system. Use standard format for compatibility or low level if the tool supports it. Once formatted, run write/read and stress tests to confirm stable capacity and throughput. This catches intermittent failures. If errors continue, stop using the card. Persistent bad sectors or failing tests indicate physical failure. Make sure to replace the card, and when needed, contact the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.